Hello, my name is Vince and I'm going to demonstrate how to create a deployment area in DaVinci CM with a simple deployment. So in the admin console, you click on Areas and select New Deployment Area. Enter the name of your area and description. I'll just use the same text, and then you select a node where the deployment area is going to be, and also the directory where the files are going to be deployed to. Enter a username and password for an operating system user that will have access to that area. And then you select the stage ID from the global stage lifecycle that the area will be associated with. In this case, I'm selecting the initial stage and click OK. So now we can see our new area. You need to associate this area to a project or stream. So you select the area on the left, then click the plus icon and go through the procedure to select your project or stream. In my case, there is only one, which is selected by default. And I'm going to leave this option checked here, deploy by default. So for this particular example, it means that all new items will automatically be deployed out to the new area, and click OK. And now we can see the association between the stream and the area. So now in desktop client, I have an empty stream, the one I just associated with the area, and I will deliver a single file. There's the new file. Click next and deliver. And that's successful. And now we can see the new file in the stream. In the web client, you can go to the deployment tab and check what's happening with the automatic deployment to the area that we defined. So if I click refresh, you can see a new entry here and you can see that the result has succeeded. If we go to Windows Explorer and we check the area that we defined, we can see that the file has actually been deployed out. And that is it. Thanks very much.